Today's video I will explain how to install firmware for Telstra Arcadyan AW1000 router using U-boot. This router runs on the OpenWrt operating system, which allows us to install custom software. However, if you install incorrect software or fail to install it properly, the router's Lucid webUI won't load. In such cases, we need to use the U-boot option. Today, we'll show you how to do just that. Accessing U-boot. First, you need to change your PC's IP address to 192.168.1.2 as shown in this video. Next, turn off the router using its power switch. Now, use a pen to press and hold the reset button. Don't release it. While holding the reset button, turn on the router using the power button. Continue holding the reset button for more than 5 seconds, then release it. Uploading the original firmware. Now, log into the router using the IP address 192.168.1.254. You should see the U-boot screen like this. From there, click Choose File and select the original factory UBI file. The file will then upload. After it's uploaded, click the Upload button. Firmware installation and reverting to stock. The router's firmware will now begin to install. It's crucial not to power off the router at this stage, as it could brick it. Once the firmware installation is complete, log into the router using the IP address 192.168.1.1. The username is root, and no password is required. Installing the original Telstra firmware. At this point, you'll be on the original firmware, which lacks the necessary software for our work. Therefore, we'll install the firmware that Telstra originally provided with the router when we purchased it. To do this, go to the System menu and click Backup Flash Firmware. You'll see Flash Options, and at the very bottom, there's a button labeled Flash New Firmware Image. Click this and upload the original Arcadyan Telstra firmware.bin file. A flash image window will appear. Uncheck the box that says Keep Settings and Retain Current Configuration. Then, select Force Upgrade and click Continue. Final steps. The firmware update is now complete. You can now log into the router as usual. Afterward, remember to change your PC's IP address back to automatic IP. That's it. Our task is done. If you have any problems, please let us know. Thank you for watching.